Paragon Induction Cooktop. The main feature of this cooktop is that it can be controlled through a specially designed mobile application. You can even control the temperature remotely. The device includes an induction cooktop with a burner diameter of 12 inches, a 1.5-inch display, touch buttons to control the temperature, and a built-in Bluetooth module. Maximum heating reaches 260 degrees Celsius. It also comes with thermometer clamps with magnetic fastening, which are designed to control and automatically adjust the temperature inside the pan. As for the frying pan and other utensils, this function is performed by the Paragon silicone mat, which is placed on the surface of the cooking zone under the dishes. You can buy the Paragon Induction Cooktop for $299. Everlight. This device combines several functions. Everlight works as a personal air conditioner, a humidifier, and an air purifier. The system consumes less energy than conventional air conditioners and requires only 10 watts of power. This is possible thanks to an innovative material called Everbreeze, which is made of basalt nanofibers and resembles paper. The mini air conditioner is basically a cube with a removable water tank and 2 grills on the sides. The working principle of this device is that the evaporating plates from the nanopaper absorb the water, and the internal fan drives the air through them, moistening and cleaning it from dust. Thus, Everlight works by evaporation of water, which occurs almost at any temperature. The cost of Everlight is $169. View. This video doorbell looks like a normal doorbell, but when someone calls at the door, the built-in camera activates and the visitor's image is displayed on a small screen indoors. In addition, the signal is transmitted to the owner's smartphone. Thanks to this, the user can monitor visitors both at home and away from it. The doorbell can be controlled using a special mobile application. The device has a 5-inch touchscreen display and a camera with a 180-degree viewing angle. Besides, you can set the device to start recording when the motion sensor is activated. Thanks to the built-in microphone and speakers, the user has the opportunity to speak with the visitor. The battery ensures trouble-free operation of the device for 2 months. The price of View is $249.